Hey guys, welcome to this new video. I will show you how did I fix my engine on this old car. It's a VW Polo 1.4 from 2003, and the main issue here was that I was running down the highway and the engine suddenly stopped. So I didn't know what was the main cause, so the first thing that I did was to check the OBD that I always have in my glove box. So engine DTC was P1553. So I was thinking it was related to the air intake, but I was trying the sensor and I cleaned it up and nothing seemed to fix the problem. So I gave up and I called the towing truck. So I made it back to my house and we parked the car there and I kept on checking things. I also checked the fuel filter because it was really old, but I changed it even, but nothing seemed to fix the issue. And then I checked the camshaft position sensor. I cleaned it up a little bit, but the engine still was malfunctioning. But I was thinking when I took the camshaft position sensor, I realized that the camshaft lobe wasn't moving as I tried to start the engine. So then I realized that it was obviously some harder issue that was happening, because I realized that the crankshaft was spinning but the camshaft was not, as you can see here. So very unfortunate, yes. Basically the timing belt went went gone, and I saw some damage on the cylinders with a special tiny camera, as you can see here. So I checked the spark plugs, just like I was there. While I was there, I checked the spark plugs, but yeah, obviously the timing belt was gone, so I had to take the car to the mechanic shop, and I did the rest of the job, which was basically we had to take the head off and revise some valves. So you can see here I was taking a look at the rocker arms, they were okay, and also the hydraulic toppets were okay. So I went ahead and disassembled the head cylinder. You can see here. um, I also saw some water leak. So yeah, basically there were many basically all of the exhaust valves were absolutely destroyed and bent. So I was fortunate enough to get a head cylinder assembly from a scrap yard, so it was relatively easy to change it. So you can see there the cylinder head was completely gone, and it was quite dirty actually, so it wasn't a bad time to change it. um, so yeah, there you have it. I was just like at the first time I thought it was an electronical issue, but then basically the whole timing belt went off and I had to replace the head. I cleaned up the cylinders, they were a bit dirty, but they weren't too bad. um, so yeah, also the thermostat and the thermostat housing was destroyed, so it was leaking water too, so it was a good time to replace it. So yeah, that was it. When I replaced the head cylinder and then I did the timing, the engine started up like nothing happened before. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and be sure to do nice troubleshooting next times. Bye.